Sorry about that, folks. My recording time expired. So back to what we were speaking about, which was personal and private information. Why do you think someone would want to steal somebody else's identity on the internet? So think about that for a moment. Why do you think someone would want to steal someone else's identity on the internet? And if you want to pause this recording to do so, feel free to do that. If you said to open credit cards, that would be correct. Maybe because they're just not a very good person to be, because the person is not a very nice person. There are mean people out there who would steal people's identities just because they could. Maybe they want to ruin a reputation. There are people out there who would want to do that, unfortunately. There's a lot of celebrities, I think, that face people stealing their identities and putting out lies about them. I think most of the time people's identity is stolen on the internet for credit cards. People can open up credit cards and commit credit card fraud. So I have a little activity for you, and this is an activity for you to do at your desk. What I want you to do is I want you to sort the P's. So I want you to pause the recording, and I want you to take a look at this chart over here, and I want you to list if the item is a piece of personal information, meaning that it cannot identify who you are, or if it's a piece of private information, it can be used to identify who you are. So I want you to go ahead and take a minute, fill this out. You can just mark the checks at your desk. You can pause the recording and then come back in a moment and check your work. I will show you the correct answers here in just a moment. So go ahead, pause the video, which is down at the bottom. There should be a pause button. You might even be able just to click on the screen and pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Here are the correct answers for each of those items. So check your work. Did you get them correct? Did you get all of the pieces that were considered personal information and all of the pieces that were considered private information? Some of them I know were a little harder than others. And here is your assignment. It is a very simple one. All you need to do is send me the answer to this exit ticket. What is reliability? Is it A, how trustworthy or consistent a source is? Is it B, a friend that you really like? Or is it C, a type of information? All you need to do is reply back to the email that I sent you with the answer. What is reliability? Is it A, how trustworthy or consistent a source is? B, a friend you really like? Or C, type of information? That will be all you are needing to do for our class today. I will see everybody back on the 20th of November, and we will practice sending a Word document in an email. See everybody then. Have a great Monday.